Children, let us continue the chapter squares and square roots. Now the exercise 3 is continued here. The sixth question. For each of the following numbers, find the smallest whole number by which it should be divided so as to get a perfect square. Also find the square root of the square number so obtained. Here there are 6 numbers. The first one is 252. As usual method, find the prime factors of 252. Now you find the factors of 252. Now you divide it by 2 as it is having the unit digit 2. 2 1s are 2, 5 is there, 2 2s are 4, 1 is remaining, 1 to 12, that is 2 6 are 12. Again the unit digit is 6, so it is divisible by 2, then you divide it by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and you got 63. It is not divisible by 2, then you try it by 3, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 is divisible by 3, therefore 63 is also divisible by 3, so you divide it by 3, 3 2s are 3 1s are. Again 21 is divisible by 3, divide it by 3, 3 7s are. Next 7 is there, 7 1s are. Now what are the factors here? You write 252 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. The factors of 252 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Here you can make the pair of two equal numbers, one pair, second pair, but the 7 is single. So here we have to divide the given number to make it a perfect square. So we have to divide it by 7. That is 252 by 7 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 by 7. If 252 is divided by 7, you will get 252, 7, 3 is a 21, 4 is remaining, 42, 7, 6. So you got 36 equals, it is remaining 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This 7 and 7 cancels. Now 36 equals, you got 2 into, make the group of 2, 2 into 3 whole square. So you take square root of 36 equals 2 into 3, that equals 6. In this way, here 250 is to be divided by 7 to make it a perfect square. Therefore you write 252 should be divided by the smallest whole number smallest whole number 7 to get a, or to make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. Then you take the second number 2925. Now you find the prime factors of 2925, and you know that it is not divisible by 2. The unit digit is 5 here. Next you try it by 3. Find the sum of the digits, 2 plus 9 plus 2 plus 5, 2 plus 9 11, 11 plus 2 13, 13 plus 5 you got 18, 18 is divisible by 3, so 2925 is also divisible by 3. Then 3 9s are 27, so what is remaining? 2 is remaining here, 22, 3 7s are 21, 1 is remaining, then 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, then Again here find the sum of the numbers. 9 plus 7 plus 5. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 5 is 21. 21 is divisible by 3, so you divide it by 3. 975 is also divided by 3. So you write 3. 3 3s are 9 and 7 is there. 3 2s are 6. 1 is remaining. 1 5 is 15. Then 3 5s are 15. So you got 325. Then you try to divide it by 3. 3 plus 2 plus 5. 3 plus 2 plus 5 is 11. 11 is not divisible by 3. So you can say that 325 is also not divisible by 3. Next you try it by 5 and you know that it is divisible by 5. So you write 5 6 are 30. 2 5 25 is remaining. 5 5 are. Then again it is divisible by 5. So 5 1s are 5. 1 is remaining here. 1 5 means 5 3s are. That is 15. Again you got 13 1s are. 13 1s are. Next you write the factors. That is 2925 equals, what are the factors? 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 13 you got. 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 13. Then here 2925, 3 are in pairs, 5 is also in pairs, but 13 is single. It means you must divide the given number by the smallest whole number 13 to make it a perfect square. So write here that divided by 13, 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 into 13 divided by 13. So here 13 cancels. Next 2925 by 13 you write 2925 divided by 13. 13 2s are 26. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 2. 13 3 is 39 becomes more. Again 13 2s are 26. 6 is remaining. 6 5. 13 5s are 65. Then one thing you can write, or here 13 is there, then the product of this 4, 3 3s are 9, 9 5s are 45, 45 5s are you will get. So you write that is 325. 225 equals 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. 3 into 3 into 5 into 5 you got. Then here 225 equals what? 3 into 5 whole square, because for one group you have taken 1 3 and for this group you have taken this 5. Then 225 equals 3 into 5. So you will write square root of 225 equals 3 into 5 equals 15. So what is the answer that you have to write? 2925 should be divided by the smallest whole number 13 to make it a perfect square. Therefore you write 925 should be divided by the smallest whole number is number 13 to make it a perfect square. Perfect square. Next one is 396. 396, third one. 396. Then you find the factors of 396. 396 You know that 396 is divisible by 3 by 2, first prime number 2, because the unit digit is 6. So you write 2 ones are 2, 1 is remaining 1 9, 2 nines are 18, again 1 is remaining 1 6, 2 8s are 16. Then you write 2, 198 is also divisible by 2, so you write 2 nines are 18, 2 fours are, but here 2 nines are 18, 1 is remaining, so you must write 2 nines are. 2 nines are 18, here 1 is remaining, 2 nines are 18, and it is not divisible by 2, but it is divisible by 3, because 9 plus 9 is 18. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 is divisible by 3, therefore 99 is also divisible by 3. Then you write 3. Again it is divisible by 3, so you divide it by 3, 3 11s. Then lastly it is 11 ones. Now again you can make out here 11 is single, means it must be divided by 11 to make it a perfect square. Then you take 396 equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. Then you divide both LHS and RHS by the 11, which is a single. Here pair of 2 is there, pair of 3 is there, but 11 is single, so you must divide the given number by 11. So you divide 396 by 11, that equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11 by 11. Here 11 11 cancels. 396 by 11 is 11 3s are 33, and what is remaining 6, 11 6, or otherwise you will get the product of this 4. 4 4s are 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36 you will get. That equals what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So 36 equals here 2 into 3 whole square. Therefore square root of 36 equals 2 into 3 equals 6. So what you have to write here? 396 should be divided by 11, the smallest number 11, smallest whole number 11, to make it a perfect square. To make it a perfect square. Then the fourth one is 2645. Now you know that it is not divisible by 2, and you try it by 3. 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 5, that is 2 plus 6 is 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 5 is 17. 70 is not divisible by 3, so this number is also not divisible by 3, but it is divisible by 5 because the unit digit is 5, so you divide it by 5. 5 5s are 25, 1 is remaining, 1 4, 5 2s are 10, 4 is remaining, 45, 5 9s are 45. Then 529, you know that this 529 is a square of 23, because you know that 23 into 23, that is 23 3s are 69 plus 23 2s are 46, you will get 529. Here 529 is a square of 23 2s are 46, 23 3s are, then again 23 1s are. So you got that 2645 equals 5 into 23 into 23. Here 23 is in pair but 5 is in single. So you must divide 2645 by 5 to make it a perfect square. 2645 divided by 5 equals 5 into 23 into 23, then divided by 5. 5 cancels. Here 2645 by 5, if you remove 5, 23 square you will get, that is 529. 529. If you divide, then only that only will get, you divide it if there is a doubt. 5 is 25. Here you divided 25, 1 4, 5 2s are 10, 4 is remaining 9, 5 4s are 5 9s are 45. Then it is 23 into 23. Then 529 equals 23 square. Then square root of 529 equals, that is 23. So here what you have to find out, you must divide 529 must be divided by the smallest whole number, whole number 23 to make it a perfect square. Then let us take the next number, that is 2800. Fifth one, 2800. Now you find the factors of 2800. So write 2800. Now you find the factors of 2800. Find the prime factors of 2800. You know that that is divisible by 2. So you divide it by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are. Then again it is divisible by 2. 2 7s are. Then 2 350s are. Then 2 1s are, 2 7s are, 1 0 means 175s are. Now it is not divisible by 2 because the unit digit is 5. Now you try it by 3. 1 plus 7 plus 5, that is 13 you will get. 13 is not divisible by 3, so that 175 is also not divisible by 3. And it is divisible by 5 because the unit digit is 5. 5 3s are 15. 2 is remaining. Then 25, 5 5s are 25. Then again it is divisible by 5, 5 7s are, and 7 1s are. Then you take, it is 2800 equals, how many times 2s are there? 4 times. You write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 times 5, 5 into 5 into 7. Then here 2s are in pairs and 5 also in pair, but single is 7. So you must divide it by 7. So you divide 2800 by 7, and also 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 7 divided by 7, and 7 cancels. So 7 1s are 7 4s are. So that is 400 equals, what is remaining here? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Then you know that 400 equals, here 2 into 2 into 5, 4 square. Therefore square root of 400 equals, you will get 2 into 2 into 5, that is 20. Square root of 400 equals 20. So 2800 should be divided by the smallest whole number 7 to to make it a perfect square. Therefore 2800 should be divided by the smallest whole number, 7 to make it a perfect square. The next one, the last one is, that is 1620. 1620. Find the factors of 1620. Find the prime factors of 1620. 1620. You know that it is divisible by 2. Then you divide it by 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2 zeros are. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8 and 1 is smaller than 2, so you write 0, and 2 5s are. And again you know that it is not divisible by 2, then you try it by 3. 4 plus 0 plus 5, 9. 9 is divisible by 3. This 405 is also divisible by 3. Take 3 1s are 1 0, 1 is remaining, 3 3s are 1 is remaining, 3 5s are. Then it is, find the sum, 1 plus 3 plus 5, that you will get 9 again, that is divisible by 3. Then 135 is also divisible by 3. Divide by 3, that is 3 4s are 12, and 1 is remaining, 3 5s are. Again it is divisible by 3 because 4 plus 5 is 9. So 3 1s are 3 5s are, then 3 5s are, and 5 1s are. So you take 1620. 1620 equals 2 times 2s are there, 2 into 2, 4 times 3s are there, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, and 1 time 5 is there. And you can observe that here 5 is in single, 2s are in pair, 3s are in 2 pairs, and 5 is single. So you must divide 1620 by the smallest whole number 5. So you divide 1620 divided by 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 5 divided by 5. Then you will get 5 1s are, 5 3s are 15, 1 is remaining, 5 2s are, and 5 4s are. So you got here 324, and 5 5 cancels, that equals 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Then it is 324 equals, make the group of two numbers. Here 2 into 3 into 3 whole square you got. Therefore 324 equals, square root of 324 equals 2 into 3 into 3, remove the square, the product is here, equals what? 18. Square root of 324 equals 18. In this way you got that. Watch out, right? 300, what is that? 1600 must be 1620 should be divided by which one? Smallest whole number 5 to make it a perfect square. Make it a perfect square.